In today's lecture, we are going to see two different types of sums. Now, let's see the first question. In first question, they have given us prove that tan theta upon sec theta minus 1 is equal to tan theta plus sec theta plus 1 upon tan theta plus sec theta minus 1. Now if you observe the left hand side and right hand side, we are having two terms, tan theta and sec theta. Now we know one identity including tan and sec. Which is that identity? We know 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Now if you observe the left hand side, I am needing only tan theta. So what I am doing, I am transferring 1 from left hand side to right hand side. So tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. Therefore now tan square can be written as tan theta into tan theta. Now here we can apply the formula a square minus b square. So what is the formula? A minus b, a plus b. Now on left hand side I am needing sec theta minus 1. Therefore tan theta upon, I am transferring this sec theta minus 1 from right hand side to left hand side. Here it is getting multiplied. So on left hand side it will be divided. On right hand side what is remaining? Sec theta plus 1 upon, now I am transferring 1 tan theta from left hand side to right hand side. So it will go in the denominator. Now what I have done, I have got two equal ratios. Now I got my left hand side tan theta upon sec theta minus 1. Now we know theorem on equal ratios which we have studied in 9th standard. When there are two equal ratios, we can add those two ratios or we can subtract those two ratios, and the resulting new ratio which we get is equal to the given two ratios. Now it is little bit difficult for understanding, so let's take one example. Suppose I am considering two equal ratios. Now are these two ratios equal? Yes. How to identify whether the two ratios are equal? Cross multiply. 3 4s are 12, 6 2s are 12. Now what I am doing, by applying the theorem on equal ratios, I am adding these two ratios. So what I will get? 3 plus 2 5, 6 plus 4 10. Now let's see whether this ratio is equal to the given two ratios. 10 3s are 30, 6 5s are 30. Yes, they are equal. 10 2s are 20, 4 5s are 20. So the resulting new ratio is equal to the given two ratios. So what does theorem on equal ratio tells us? That if two ratios are equal, if we subtract those two ratios or if we add these two ratios, the resulting new ratio is equal to the given ratios. Now in this case what I am needing? Sec theta plus 1 I am having plus tan theta. So by theorem on equal ratios, tan theta upon each ratio is equal to, now we will add it, tan theta plus sec theta plus 1 upon sec theta minus 1 plus tan theta. Now if you observe, this is our right hand side, therefore I can say that tan theta upon sec theta minus 1 is equal to tan theta plus sec theta plus 1 upon, let's rearrange the term, tan theta plus sec theta minus 1. Hence proved. Now this is a little bit different type of sum as compared to the previous sums. In previous sums what we used to do, we used to consider left hand side or we used to consider right hand side, and we used to prove that both the sides are equal. Now in this case, if you observe the sum, in left hand side and right hand side there are two terms, tan theta and sec theta. So first we started by using the identity 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Now I was just needing tan, so what I did, I shifted 1 from left hand side to right hand side. So I got the step tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. tan square can be written as tan theta into tan theta. Similarly, by applying the formula a square minus b square, I got a minus b, a plus b, that is sec theta minus 1 upon sec theta plus 1. I transfer this sec theta minus 1 to left hand side, so it went into the denominator. I transfer this tan theta to right hand side, again it went into the denominator. By doing this, I got two equal ratios and I got my left hand side. Now let's see what I am needing on right hand side. I am needing tan theta plus sec theta plus 1 upon tan theta plus sec theta minus 1. Now what does by theorem on equal ratios tells us that each ratio is equal to, either you can add these two ratios or you can separate these two ratios. In this case I am getting my right hand side by adding, so what I have done, I have added. Therefore tan theta upon sec theta minus 1 is equal to tan theta plus sec theta plus 1 upon tan theta plus sec theta minus 1, hence proved. Now let's see one different kind of question. In the question they have asked us to eliminate theta from the given equations. So given equations are x is equal to a cot theta minus b cosec theta, y is equal to a cot theta plus b cosec theta. Equation 1, equation 2. Now these are two equations. If we consider the variables as cot theta and cosec theta, and we will consider x, a and b are constants. Now here it is minus, here it is plus, so adding equation 1 and 2. Now whenever we add, we don't need to change the signs. X plus y is equal to, we are adding a cot theta plus a cot theta will be 2a cot theta, minus plus cancel, so we got the value of cot theta as cot theta is equal to x plus y upon 2a. Now similarly we will subtract both the equation. Subtracting 2 from 1, x is equal to a cot theta minus b cosec theta, y is equal to a cot theta plus b cosec theta. Since we are separating, we will change the sign, minus minus minus, x minus y, a cot theta minus a cot theta will get cancelled, minus b minus 2b cosec theta. Therefore cosec theta is equal to x minus y upon minus 2b. Now we got the value of cot theta, we got the value of cosec theta. We know one identity. What is that identity? We know 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Substitute the values, 1 plus x plus y upon 2a bracket square is equal to x minus y minus 2b bracket square. Therefore 1 plus x plus y bracket square 2a square will be 4a square is equal to x minus y bracket square minus 2b square will be 4b square. Therefore 1 is equal to x minus y bracket square upon 4b square minus x plus y square upon 4a square. So we got an equation in which we don't have any term including theta.